Bismillah, alhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalamu ala rasulillah. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wa hlul uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Brothers and sisters, assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Understand Al-Quran the easy way, course number 5, grammar with page 18, pointer A. That is grammar with lesson 18A, in which we will take second pair, ism plus sifa, and in ism we will take plurals. Remember that Arabic grammar is divided into two parts, sarf and nahv. And sarf is you take root letters of a verb like fa'ala and make different words like fa'il, maf'ul, fa'altum, and so on. That is sarf, how to make from root letters different words. And nahv is you take words and make sentences, or pairs and words to make, use pairs and words to make sentences. Actually, nahv deals with the endings of the words that change according to their position in a sentence. We have learned 4 types of sentences: ismiya, with inna, with kana, and fi'liya. You know them all. Can you say them? Ismiya, Allahu ghafurun. With inna, inna Allaha ghafurun. With kana, kana Allahu ghafuran. Fi'liya, خلق الله الأرض. علم. And remember, when it comes to inna, kana, and khalaqa, the verb, you always say that along with the next word, like inna Allah ghafura, kana Allahu ghafura, khalaqa Allahu al-arda, like that. Don't say inna Allah ghafurun, because we know that inna, kana, khalaqa don't change, so we make practice simple. We have learned 2 pairs so far. Fil ardi, that is harf jar and the ism, and baytun kabirun, that is ism plus sifa. So with harf jar or with sifa. And sifa tells us how it is. Baytun, how? Big, small. So sifa tells us, or it's an answer to how. So let us focus again on the second pair. Remember, in Arabic, the noun is written first, as we talked about it earlier. Baytun kabirun. Baytun, you take the ism first and talk about its attributes. Is it small, big, colorful, or whatever? And we did this exercise in the last lesson. That is, original state is baytun kabirun. When it is affected, baytan kabiran. After preposition, baytin kabirin. So the ism and sifa, this pair is like homogeneous body, and they change according to this position together. So give me the answers. Original state, baytun kabirun. Where it is affected,
baytan kabiran.
After preposition,
baytin kabirin.
Allim. Let us use this pair in sentences, and you did this also. Hada baytun kabirun. Ra'a Zaydun baytan kabira. Zaydun fi baytin kabiri. Alright, so we'll focus only on the pair and show the TPI only for the pair, not for the other words. So repeat after me. Hada baytun kabirun.
Hada baytun kabirun.
Ra'a Zaydun baytan kabiran.
Ra'a Zaydun baytan kabiran.
Zaydun fi baytin kabirin.
Zaydun fi baytin kabirin.
We also took another pair like Muslimun Sadiqun. That is also in the last lesson. A true Muslim. Muslim, you take the ism and describe about him. Like, is it Sadiq or Salih or Dhakir or Sa'im, whatever. So Muslimun Sadiqun, original state. Affected, Muslimun Sadiqun. After preposition, Muslimun Sadiqin. Answer me. Original state,
Muslimun
Sadiqun. When it is affected,
Musliman sadiqan.
After preposition,
Muslimin sadiqin.
Ali. And we practice this pair using sentences also. Like Ja'a Muslimun Sadiqun. Ra'a Zaydun Musliman Sadiqan. Sami'a Zaydun min Muslimin Sadiqin. Repeat after me. Ja'a Muslimun Sadiqun.
Ja'a Muslimun Sadiqun.
Muslim came. Ra'a Zaydun Musliman Sadiqan.
Ra'a Zaydun Musliman Sadiqan.
Sami'a Zaydun min Muslimin Sadiqin.
سمع زيد من مسلم صادق.
علم. Okay, alhamdulillah. In this lesson, we will take the plurals. Alright, if we make the plural of ism, the attribute also will have to be plural or taken plural, like Muslimun. Plural of Muslim is Muslimun. So plural of Sadiq will be Sadiqun. You have to match sifa with ism. If it is singular, it has to be singular. Plural, plural. Feminine, feminine. Masculine, masculine. Rafa, rafa. Nasab, nasab. Jar, jar. Okay, so it's very simple. So original state will be Muslimuna Sadiquna. That is true Muslims. When the pair is affected, Muslimina Sadiqina. And after preposition, Muslimina Sadiqina. Remember, Muslimina, Muslimina, this is same. So Sadiqina, Sadiqina also will be same. So answer me with TPI. Original state? Muslimuna Sadiquna. Remember to use 4 fingers. When it is affected?
Muslimina Sadiqina.
After preposition?
Muslimina Sadiqina.
Ali. Let us use this pair in sentences. Ja'a Muslimuna Sadiquna. True Muslims came. Ra'a Zaydun. Zayd saw Muslimina Sadiqina. True Muslims. Sami'a Zaydun. Zayd heard min Muslimina Sadiqina. Okay, so repeat after me with TPI for the pair only. Ja'a Muslimuna Sadiquna.
Ja'a Muslimuna Sadiquna.
Ra'a Zaydun Muslimina Sadiqina.
Ra'a Zaydun Muslimina Sadiqina.
Sami'a Zaydun min Muslimina Sadiqina.
Sami'a Zaydun min Muslimina Sadiqina.
Ali. Let us take now definite nouns like al-Muslimun. Al-Muslimuna. So you make this noun definite, this ism definite, specific, then the other one also has to be like this. As-Sadiquna. Al-Muslimuna, As-Sadiquna. That is the original state, Rafa state. And Nasb will be Al-Muslimina As-Sadiqina. And after preposition, that is Jar state, will be Al-Muslimina As-Sadiqina. Al-Muslimina As-Sadiqina, Al-Muslimina As-Sadiqina. In these two states, the words are same. So give me the answer. Original state?
Al-Muslimuna As-Sadiquna.
When it's affected?
Al-Muslimina As-Sadiqina.
After preposition?
Al-Muslimina As-Sadiqina.
Alim. Let's use this pair in sentences and practice with TPI. So same sentence. Ja'a al-Muslimuna as-Sadiquna. The true Muslims came. Ra'a Zaydun al-Muslimina as-Sadiqina. Zayd saw true Muslims, the true Muslims. Sami'a Zaydun min al-Muslimina as-Sadiqina. Zayd heard from the true Muslims. Repeat after me. Ja'a al-Muslimuna as-Sadiquna.
Ja'a al-Muslimuna as-Sadiquna.
Ra'a Zaydun المسلمين الصادقين.
رأى زيد المسلمين الصادقين.
سمع زيد من المسلمين الصادقين.
سمع زيد من المسلمين الصادقين.
Okay, let's repeat. جاء المسلمون الصادقون.
جاء المسلمون الصادقون.
رأى زيد المسلمين الصادقين.
رأى زيد المسلمين الصادقين.
سمع زيد من المسلمين الصادقين.
سمع زيد من المسلمين الصادقين.
So you get 1 point here, very clear. If it is singular, Muslimun, it is also singular, Sadiqun. If it is with al-Muslimu, it will be as-Sadiqun. If it is plural, this will be plural. If it is with if it is masculine, this will be masculine. If it is feminine, it will be feminine. Okay, Muslimatun Sadiqatun. That you can learn. So now you got the rule. Inshallah, it is easy for you to follow. Let's take examples from the Quran. Wallahu la yahdi al-qawm al-zalimin. Wallahu and Allah la yahdi does not guide. Who? What is the object? Al-qawm al-zalimin. So qawm actually looks like singular word, but it's a plural word. Qawm is people. Al-qawm al-zalimina. Actually, it was al-qawmu al-zalimuna. Al-qawmu al-zalimina is nasb. Al-qawmi al-zalimina is jar state. So here it is object. Allah does not guide who? Al-qawmu al-zalimina. Let's take another example. فَإِنَّ اللَّهَ, Allah is indeed not satisfied. La yarda is not satisfied. An is preposition. Anil qawmil fasiqina. Again, qawm means people. Plural word. Al fasiqina. Al qawmul fasiquna. Al qawmal fasiqina. Al qawmil fasiqina. Alright, it's a trick there, but still, I hope you will, inshallah, get used to that. Another example. Qalu, they said, the angels said in the context, Inna, indeed we, ursilna, we have been sent, ila, to qawmin mujrimin. Because of ila preposition, you have qawmin mujrimina, people of criminals, or people who are criminals. So remember these, al-qawm al-zalimina, al-qawmi al-fasiqina, ila qawmin mujrimina, al-qawm al-zalimina, القوم الفاسقين قوم مجرمين. علم. Alhamdulillah. Don't forget the 7 types of homework. Learn from videos or from one-to-one class, or get the teacher's training and start teaching. May Allah help us to fulfill all the rights of the Quran. Wa jazakumullah khair. Subhanakallahumma wa bihamdik. Nashhadu an la ilaha illa ant. Nastaghfiruka wa natubu ilayk. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Assalamu alaikum. Learn to read Al-Quran, learn tajweed, understand Al-Quran and memorize it using easy, scientific and interactive methods. Get ebooks, videos, audios, posters, PowerPoint files, app links for different courses. We have specialized Montessori materials and games for making the Quran easy for kids, and a teacher's resource center too. Get personalized one-to-one online courses that suit your needs from expert teachers. For free trial, write to admin@understandquran.com or visit understandquran.com. Wassalamu alaikum